today is a nice small little roast beef. And this is a really nice casserole set up with carrots, celery, and onions, basis for all. And our roast beef, which is 2 pounds pre-seasoned from Meat Maven, is going to bake in the oven at 400 for 15 minutes. Then we take it out of the oven. So let's put this in the oven. It's at 400. Then Alexa, set timer for 15 minutes.
Second timer, 15 minutes.
Okay.
Starting now.
And then we're going to reduce the temperature to 275 and let it bake for 1 hour. That is the basis of our roast beef, and I am looking forward to a nice charcuterie board. Think ahead of how you'd like to have everything set up. So this is going to be one of those nice little charcuterie additions to our get-together. All right, so let's cut into our nice roast beef, always cutting on a nice diagonal. This roast beef came out so perfect. Everyone, get to Meat Maven. Buy their pre-seasoned, an awesome dish to make. Design your own charcuterie board. It's fun. All right, recipe is down below. All right, here's my final touches to the charcuterie board that we made with our roast beef, and look at the middle of that. It came out so beautiful. Stick that right back in. This is going to greet our guests as they come. They'll make themselves a little snack with grape leaves and corned beef, some spicy little Franks, Jack's Franks, the roast beef, there's your jalapeno, and my little jar of Gherkins pickles. Hope you enjoy this recipe. Put together your own charcuterie board, have fun designing it, and from Rochelle's Kosher Kitchen, enjoy this amazing roast beef from Meat Maven.